Hey Hip Chicks, I'm outside by the curb because I need to tell you about a very important feature in your house that you really need to be aware of. The other night I was teaching my brand new course. It is a master class for new homeowners. And one of the homework assignments I gave my students was for them to find their curbside water main. I showed them a picture and most of them said, I have no idea that I have one, what it does, or even where to begin to find it. So I'm going to teach you why you need to know where it is, what it does, and how you can take care of it. Because that's what I do here at Hip Chicks. I teach you practical, useful DIY, because homeownership doesn't have to be hard, but it is important because that building back there is the biggest investment of your life, and you need to know how to take care of it. In the event you have a major leak inside your house from a water supply line, you need to be able to turn off the water main. Now, I hope you all know where that is on the inside of your house, but if something has happened to your water main in the inside and that valve is damaged and you can't shut off the water, what do? Well, what you have to do is come outside and you need to turn off the water at the curb. Now, in some homes, it may be in the sidewalk. If you live in a condo building, you may have to ask the building management where that would be. But it is important that you know where this shutoff valve is, because this stops the water from flowing from the water main in the street to the actual house. But the problem is, homeowners don't have the tool to turn this and turn it off. So if you can't do it on the inside, you need to call for help. So who do you call? Well, it's not the Ghostbusters, but you're going to call two people. If it is a non-emergent leak that is controllable, you can call your plumber or you can call the water authority and they will come out and they will turn the key here to turn off the water. If you have a geyser flowing in your house and you cannot turn off the inside main, the first thing you need to do is call 911 and ask for the fire department. And the fire department has the key to turn this off. Your job as a homeowner is to locate where this access is. There is a nut that you remove here, and then there's a long tube that goes down about 4 feet into the ground. And then a steel rod will go down in there and turn the valve that runs to the water line inside your house. Your job is to make sure you know where it is and that you can cut back the grass quickly. If yours is really faded, you can also touch it up with some fresh spray paint so that in an emergency, you can direct the fireman or the plumber to it very quickly and get the water off. So I hope this tip will help you be a better homeowner, and that is my goal. I want to give you the knowledge, the skill, and the guts to take care of your property. So make sure that you subscribe. I want to make sure that we stay in touch so you can hear about my upcoming classes. I have live classes, pre-recorded classes, and mentoring group that will teach you how to be a really awesome homeowner.